लैंग्वेज पढ़ाऊँ तुम्हें कॉलेज विचारिस online dan 15 individual 15 individual meeting bola mucho Only so many have joined till now. 2 minutes have passed. Okay, I'm starting the class now. We had stopped at the time over there where we see that we were stopped at the tarry. Examples both here with green and examples of this how to turn the paper side of two, three, and your voice is very low. Very low. It can't be high. And then it goes. What now?
Yes, miss.
What yes, miss? What yes, miss? What yes, miss? You can hear me or you can't hear me?
Miss, now we can hear you. Before it was low.
Yeah, I put that just now. I adjusted the headphone. So we were doing the examples. First example, we are starting on after lines number 1. So just getting back to it because we will have to now go in continuity. So the first one came to you when we are getting ready for it. That is in lines number 27, 28, 288, 268. 268 when we are talking about the surgeon. S-U-R. Okay, when we're talking about this and looking at this, Portia wants to know if he has got this ready, because what if Antonio bleeds to death? Then we have got another point over here, that is in the second one that we have got. The second one, she starts on page number 125, lines number 316, where it begins with the word tarry. Tarry meaning wait. So she asks him to wait. And we have seen that she gives an example. This is of her wit, beauty and brains, and also how she turns the table. And the key phrases was that the bond that give thee no jot of blood. Key phrases that you had to remember. And it was only a pound of flesh. And if in the process of counting, if thou dost shed, if he sheds, we finished this, isn't it? If he sheds a drop of blood, then what will the consequences be? Then what will the consequences be over here? He will have to, the state of Venice will confiscate all his lands and goods. Then all his lands and goods will be confiscated. This is what we had seen. So that is where we have stopped. Just a second. Hello? कहाँ से? Yes. हमको कल जाना है बैंक बाजार के वक्त चेक ना ऑनलाइन कैसे होगा नहीं नहीं हमको तो बैंक बुलाया है कल हम बैंक जाएंगे हाँ I'm doing it tomorrow. आप देखेंगे बैंक जाएंगे तो बैंक को क्या बताएंगे So all his lands and goods would be confiscated. This is the first one that is defined. Carry no drop of blood, only a pound of bread. It gets a pound of blood and all of that is also the that is very happy for this. Tylon says that is that the law? If that is the case, that
This is very low.
low. What is very low?
Now it's all right. That's all right.
I was not talking only. I was attending some call from the office. Then Shylock says, okay, if that is the case, then he's ready to take the bond that is going to be thrice paid. Then we came on to page number 126. Here, Bassanio is ready to give the money, but Portia says that you will not give the money, wait for the money, because line number 334, the Jew shall have all justice, soft, no haste, he shall have nothing but the penalty, because he had stated that he had taken an oath on Sabbath day earlier, and that he will not commit a sin, especially when it comes to the court of Venice, by taking money. Bassanio is happy at what Portia says, and he says, O Jew, an upright judge, a learned judge. Portia therefore prepared to cut off the flesh. Now we are coming to the third example that you are getting. Third example that you are getting to Portia being a person of beauty and brains. And also it is an example to see how the tables are turned against Shylock, and Shylock gets caught in his own trap. So this is the third example. The third example, therefore prepared to cut off the flesh, shed thou no blood, nor cut nor less than more, but just a pound of flesh. The third example is not to cut more or less, not to cut, see there, key phrases, not to cut more or less, but just a pound of flesh. But just a pound of flesh. Look at the next lines now. If thou cuttest more or less than just a pound, be it but so much as makes it heavy or light in the substance, or the division of the 20th part. So meaning to say that if you cut more or less than just a pound, be it, see the word over there, scruple meaning is given to you a very small unit of weight, or the division of the 20th part of one scruple. So even if he cuts more or less, just a scruple of it, the next word over here, key phrase will be scruple. And if the scale do turn, but in the estimation of thine hair means just a small slight difference, that is of a hair's difference, then the punishment will be thou diest and thy goods are confiscated. So the key words over here is he cannot cut more or less but just a pound of flesh, and even if it exceeds by a scruple, even if by a scruple, see the word over there, even if by a scruple the scales will turn, or look at the next key phrase, or by the estimation, of her hair, then the punishment, what would be the punishment? The punishment will be thou diest. He will die for it. Thou diest. And with this next thing, all the goods will be confiscated. All his goods will be confiscated by the state of Venice. All his goods will be confiscated. So that is the third one. And what are the key phrases over there? Third example, for beauty and brains, tables are turned, not to cut, tables are turned against him, and not to cut more or less, but just a pound of flesh, even if by the scruple the scales will turn, or by the estimation of a hair, then the punishment will be he will die and the goods will be confiscated. Rashini is very happy at this. He calls a second Daniel, a Daniel Jew. How infidel! I have thee on the hip means now I have trapped you in your own words. Portia, why did the Jew pause? Why is he taking so long? Let me go, and let take thy forfeit. Shylock says, give me the principal amount that was only 3,000 ducats. Now he's ready to take that much only and go away. Bassanio, I have it ready. Portia says he refused it in the open court and he will only have justice. Antony is again happy with it and calls Portia a Daniel. Shylock and asks, shall I not even get the principal amount, the 3,000 ducats? Portia says, thou shalt get nothing but the forfeit, and that you will take at your own risk. What was the risk that was involved? Raise your hand. What was the risk that was involved? Yes, Rajat?
This risk of Antonio's life.
No. What was the risk that was involved in taking the forfeit? Yes, Aman?
This risk of his Shylock's own life and his property.
Alright. Because what would happen if he shed a drop of blood? Then all his land and goods would be confiscated. What would happen if he cut more or less of a pound of flesh? Then he would die. They would kill him as per the laws, and also all his goods would be confiscated. So Shylock, why then the devil give him good of it? So he gets angry and he says, now let Antonio take everything. I don't even want the principal amount. How much was the principal amount? Then
3,000 ducats.
Alright. And Bassanio was willing to pay double. If that does not suffice, then he will pay him 10 times more. If that did not suffice, then he would give his life for it. And if that did not suffice, then it was sure that Antonio malice bears on too. Now we come on to lines number 360, which is the fourth example. 360. This is the fourth example. Fourth example to show beauty with brains and how she turns the table against him. Now let us look at the keywords. Carry you, the law hath yet another hold on you. It is enacted, that is as according to the law. First word. It is enacted. Now we're looking at the key phrases, key words, which you will join in with your own words. Everything you don't have to copy it. You must have the keyword. It is enacted in the laws of Venice. Laws of Venice. Alright. It is to be proved against an alien or by direct or indirect attempts he seeks the life of any citizen, the party against the which he contrives. Now, what is enacted in the laws of Venice? And if it is proved that if there is a case against an alien, right, that directly or indirectly he is seeking the life of a citizen, then the one who contrives, whose life has been contrived, he will receive half of his goods, the other half will go to the state. All the time there's no need to write Venice. If you write state also it is understood. Will go to the state and his life will be at the mercy of the Duke. Okay. So this is what is the fourth one. It is enacted in the laws of Venice if it is proved against an alien. An alien is a person who does not belong to that particular part. Now, Shylock was a moneylender in that area. But how does he become an alien over there? He becomes an alien because Venice is a Christian state and he is a Jew. So he becomes an alien. It is proved against an alien that by direct or by indirect means he wants to take the life of the citizen. Antonio becomes citizen because he, like Shylock, is a moneylender, But the difference is that Venice is a Christian state and Antonio is a Christian. Then what happens? The part against the one he doth contrive, the party, part means party, the party against which the alien contrives. What will happen to that party? What will they gain? They will get one half of his goods, then the other half will be given to the state, and the offender's life will lie in the mercy of the Duke. So this is the fourth one. This is the example that we have got. The last one, showing you beauty with brains and enacted laws of Venice, that alien directly or indirectly seeking the life of a citizen. And what will happen? The one that he has contrived against will take half of his goods, other half will go to the state, and his life will be at the mercy of the Duke. So that is the punishment that he will get. Now, what will be Shylock's reaction listening to all this? Now, let us see. Lines 370, against all other voice, in which predicament I say thou standest. Predicament over here is a difficult situation that Shylock is standing in. Because now Portia is not allowing him to take the money, and then he wants to go from there. But before he goes from there and he wants to dismiss the case, before he dismisses the case, Portia reminds him about him being an alien. He was trying directly or indirectly to take the life of a citizen. So the punishment that he will have to undergo is that one half of his goods will be given to the citizen, one half of the goods will go, his land and property will go to the state, and his life will be at the mercy of the Duke. And this was a difficult situation that Shylock found himself in. For it appears by manifest is evidence that indirectly and directly too, thou hast contrived, he has plotted, he has planned to take the life of citizen Antonio. So it has been proved, and she's got witness. And there are many things also that tell that he is the one who had been planning to take, he had plotted, he had contrived to take the life of Antonio, the citizen. So he will have to undergo the three punishments. That is, Antonio will get one half of Shylock's lands and goods, one half, the other half will go to the state. It will be divided between Antonio and the state, and his life will be at the mercy of the Duke. Of the defendant, and thou hast incurred the danger formerly by me rehearsed, so down therefore and beg mercy of the Duke. So she says, now you go down on the knees and you ask the Duke for mercy. Alright, because the Duke was not only the head of the state, the Duke was also the head of the judiciary at that time. So that is why it was in the hands of the Duke now whether to give him imprisonment and cut his head. Who is looking for Mama now? Which Mama is attending my class? Huh? Rachinio, beg that thou mayest have leave to hang thyself. So Rachinio says, now you beg leave because you need to hang thyself. And yet thy wealth being forfeit, whatever you have, that is going to be taken away from you. Third line, that you are not left with the value, with the amount of money also to buy a cord. So he teases him. Now you don't have money even to buy a cord, is a rope to hang himself in. Therefore, thou must be hanged at the state's expense. You will be hanged because you don't even have money enough to buy yourself a rope to hang yourself. The Duke says now that thou shalt see the difference of our spirit. Circle difference. Circle difference. What difference does the Duke show between the Christians and the Jews? What difference does the Duke show the difference between the Christians and the Jews with reference to their attitude, attitudes and thoughts? with reference to their attitudes and thoughts. Okay, now he's showing us the difference. Okay, the difference is that I pardon thee thy life. What is the difference between the Dukes and between the Jews and the Christians? What is the difference? Number one, this is how he shows the difference. I pardon thee thy life before thou ask it. That is the difference. The Christian will pardon someone's life before they ask for it. Second difference, what he shows, the other half comes to the general state. Just now we did two halves. No, one half will go to the citizen, one half will go to the state. Now, the other half comes to the general state, which humbleness may drive into a fine. Trying to show that the Duke and the Christians are always very merciful. They are not like the Jews. So the first difference he shows is that even before Shylock can ask pardon for his life, the Duke pardons him. Second difference he shows, skip the line in the middle. Second difference he shows is that the other half, which was to be taken over by the state, if Shylock is humble enough, he will have to pay only a fine. That means earlier it was stated that first his property and land and money will be divided into two halves. One half will go to Antonio, one half will come to the state. But the Duke shows mercy. This is what he's showing the difference. That if Shylock is humble enough, if he shows humility, then what can happen? He will not have to pay the half the amount of it. He will only have to pay some amount of money as fine. So this is the difference that he tries to show between the Jews and the Christians, that the Christians are merciful. The merciful. When it comes to the attitude and thinking, they are different in their disposition, is their ideas and their attitude and thinking, because they are not people like the Jews who want to take revenge all the time. Shylock is representing the Jewish clan. Duke is representing the Christians. So the difference that he shows is that the Christian will give pardon and mercy even before the Jew can ask. Second is the amount of money, the half the property and land that was supposed to be taken by the state of Venice. The Duke says, if you are humble and if you over here admit your mistake, then I will be taking only a fine but not the full amount. So the underlining point is that the merciful attitude that the Christians have, the Jews do not have. Second one is only for Antonio. That has got nothing to do with the attitude of the Christians over there. That is what Antonio gets. Half thy wealth is Antonio's. That the Duke cannot change. The Duke can change what the state wants, and the Duke can pardon his life because the Duke is responsible. But the Duke cannot act in case of Antonio. Antonio himself will have to make changes if he wants. Portia, A for the state, not for Antonio. So Portia reminds, whatever the Duke is doing, that he is doing with reference to the state and life, not what Antonio is. Shylock, nay, take my life and all. Pardon not that you take my house. When you do take the prop that doth sustain my house, you take my life. When you do take the means whereby I live. So now Shylock's reaction is that, nay, take my life and everything. So Shylock says, okay, now you take everything. You take my life also, you take whatever I have. Pardon not even that. Why does he say that? Because you take my house, when you do take the prop. The prop is the money. Alright? In simple words, prop means pillar. What is Shylock's prestige and house and everything based on his money? So now the money will be taken away as a fine, some amount by the state, and he will have to give half of whatever he has to Antonio. So he is unhappy about it. So he says, now, I don't want my life also. You take my life and you take everything. Reason he gives is that, what reason is that? You have already taken my prop. That means you have already taken all my money. That sustain is holds my prestige and my house. You take my life when you do take the means whereby I live. So when you take the money, over here, what is the character of Shylock as we have done before? He is greedy. He can do anything for money. He makes his own daughter also his enemy. because of the money. Now what we are seeing in the open court, what is the justice? Shylock has to give his land, property, finances, money, half of it to Antonio, which he does not want to give. And the Duke says, I will not take everything, but I will take a little bit. So now Shylock says, you take away my means of living. In other words, you take my life. So you take whatever you want. You can kill me even. Portia, what mercy can you render him, Antonio? So now Portia asks Antonio, what can you do for him? Brashenio says, a halter gratis, nothing else for God's sake. So Brashenio over here tries to make fun and tells Antonio not to give him anything except a halter, that is a rope. Gratis is free of cost. Why? So that he can hang himself with it. Antonio now, so please my lord, the Duke and all the court. So now Antonio has been asked by Portia, what can he do? Duke is now giving back his life. The Duke says, gives a warning that if you're humble enough, I will not take all the property.